This is the Young Trader. It is Sunday night. Now, the futures just opened up here, about 30 minutes ago. So, as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell the stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude, your daily chart. Now, first of all, I just want to say here that I will be out of the office all day Monday, so I won't be posting any videos. But Tuesday morning before 8 o'clock will be business as usual. All right, let's take a look here at the charts. Now let's see what we have. Okay, so what we have here is you have your key 8 SMA here. Okay, so you want to look at 81.26. We want to look here at 81.21. See how this 8 SMA crossing below? Now, the question is, we look back to the charts here. What happened here? Bear flag. What happened here? Bear flag. Okay. Now, is this the same thing going to go on? Is this 8-day going to go on all the way down? And then you're fighting that 8-day all the way until you can get above it. And then you can rally on up here. Okay. So what you want to do on the upside is you want to watch this 81.21. You want to watch this 81.27. If this price can get and close above these two key SMAs, that would negate this bear flag pattern and we would rip higher. Okay, so if it does, then what we look is the top of this candle right here. Okay, so then you were looking at 81.43. You look at the bottom of this candle here, that is 81.76. Then we looked at the top here, you got 82.91. Then the top of this here, you got 83.20. Then we come over here to this big boy here, 83.53. Very, very key level here. If you get above, then we go right there, 83.81. You have 84.65, and then your big retest, 84.89. Now, all that upside is all depending on this 21 and this 8-day at a close above. Okay, if it pops up and it comes right back down, but not close above, that bear flag is still intact. Now, downside. What you really want to look here is at this candle right here, okay? So this is the recent low at 78.95. Right before that, what you had is you had basically 79.05, and that lined up really nice with this candle right here, which was 79.05. But look to the bottom of this candle here, 78.95. Now, again, if that is lost, then look to the top of this candle here. This is sitting at 77.33, okay? So as it rallied up here, it went into the 200-day, and then that was a breakout. So you always want to have that as a retest. Now, again, if that is lost, then we look right here to this nice 200 SMA here, sitting at 76.58. Then you have 75.89, your 50 SMA, and then you got the old Hondo there. We are sitting at 75.32. So that is your downside support levels. There's your upside. So key, remember, just a quick review. Watch your 21, your 8. If it closes up, that bear flag pattern is negated. If it closes down and this 8-day keeps on resuming and it goes lower than this candle right here at 78.95, well, then we got the same structure as we had right here. All right, let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly. Okay, your monthly chart here still looking pretty good. We're 20 days into it, all right? So bottom line, you're above your 100, 50, 200, and your key 8 SMA here at 76.08. You need to close above this 83.53. Then we can go 86.13. That is your big upside target. Now, on your weekly chart here, well, what you want to do is upside 83.53. Then we have right here 84.89. And then what we have is your Hondo sitting at 85.66. Very, very key levels here. Now, if you look at this chart here, you look at your 8 SMA here, you're above your 21, above your 50, and so far holding very nicely. The price is holding this key level area. So what you want to do is look at 79.19. That's going to be key support. If that's lost, then you got 78.03. Then we come down here, 75.77. All right. So right now, this bullish pattern is still intact here until you start losing this 8 to 50, 21-day. Then you could come down here, retest this 68.47, and even down here, 63.64. But if you look at that 200-day, that is usually, see how it's been holding really nicely. So even though you spiked down, you close back above, okay, for the week. And that's all that really matters here. So again, review upside, 83.53, 84.89, and then the old 100-day, 85.66. Downside, watch your key, 79.19. Okay, and then we want to watch your 50 SMA, 78.03, then 75.77 is all your down key support levels. Now you had a really nice run up here, but now we have a red candle there, which wiped out a lot. We have a lower low for the week. That's really not good. So we got to see what this week is going to be. The actual tell exactly if it's going to stay, go up, down, or maybe get some sideways action. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, here's natty gas. You got your hourly and you got a 4-hour chart. All right. So what we have here on your upside is you want to watch this 21 SMA, 2.58, 2.598 on your 50-day, retest 2.63, 2.65, and then if you can break above that, then we come to this candle right here. You're sitting at 2.67, and then 2.73 is your upside target. Downside, you want to watch that 8 SMA, 2.55, and then we can look to this candle here. Okay, you're looking at 2.539. You have 2.537, and then your big retest here is 2.524. If that 524 is lost, well, then we're probably looking out here to this 2.457 as a retest. Okay, so on your 4-hour chart here, watch your 8 SMA here. Okay, so you're looking at 2.58, your 21, 2.61, and then 2.66 here is your 200 SMA above, and then you go to 2.736, your 50-day, which lines up very nice here with your 200-day. So just watch this very, very carefully here that this 2.524 is not lost, because then lower she goes. All right, let's take a look here on a daily chart. Okay, here we have your daily chart here. Well, okay, you have your 8-day rolling back over again here. Okay, that's not good. So you're looking at 2.67, your 21-day, 2.67. They're kissing each other right there. All right. Then right below that, you have your 50-day, 2.63. So far today, we just have an inside day, but it's way early yet here. So on the upside, watch that 50 SMA, 2.63, and then 2.67. If you can get above here, then we start rallying all the way up here. So then you want to look at here, it would be the target, it would be 2.86. This is the key candle right here at 2.87. Then we can go right here. You're looking at 3.018. That would be your big upside target. But you have a lot of resistance here. But again, natty gas, they don't call it the Widowmaker for nothing. Now, on the downside, you want to watch this level right here. Okay, that's 2.524. And then we can come down here to your 2.45 there support. And then you got your 100 SMA here. Even below that, it's in that 2.44. Now, on your weekly chart here, well, watch this 21 SMA, 2.46, and then it needs to get back above this 2.62 here to give it more of a sideways action here. You just don't want that 8-day to cross below that 21-day here, because that's never good. Then you just get like this here. Once it starts crossing over, then you get just a downslide. Okay. All right. I will see you Tuesday morning before 8 o'clock, and as usual, we will review crude oil and natural gas. And remember, the API numbers will be out on Tuesday at 4:30, and the EIA report on crude will be out at Wednesday, 10:30, and natty gas on Thursday at 10:30. And then on Friday, you got your rig count. All right. Have a great day.